We have another one finished up here. Innovative Car Sound 2005 Chrysler 300. It was brought in today with a factory radio, CD and cassette player. This is what it looks like. Now this older Chrysler has these two knobs, left and right. And what most people do, they grab the original dash and then they start cutting out all four sides to make the double din fit, and then they glue in some black pieces of plastic to cover up the holes. We don't do that here at Innovative Car Sound. We replace the entire dash with a new trim piece to give it a factory finish all the way through. We remove the AC vents, the clock, hazard buttons, and the AC controls and transfer them over to the new dash trim bracket. And this is how you do the installation on this kind of car the right way. We have car audio for all budgets here at Innovative Car Sound. Come by the shop, check us out. We are open Monday to Saturday, 10 to 6. Closed on Sunday. 2005 Chrysler 300. Doubled-in touchscreen, built-in Bluetooth with a new dash trim piece. We'll see you guys on the next one.